Canada urgently needs engineers. Here's your complete guide to moving and building your future here in 2026. Civil, mechanical, electrical, software, industrial, and materials engineers are all in high demand across Canada right now. The main pathway is Express Entry, Canada's points-based immigration system for skilled professionals, including engineers. Most engineers qualify under the Federal Skilled Worker Program. Age, education, and work experience all count toward your score. Canada now holds regular STEM category-based draws, which give engineers a higher chance of selection in Express Entry. Provincial Nominee programs, or PNPs, let provinces select engineers they need most, often with lower points requirements. Each province has targeted streams. Ontario, Alberta, and BC regularly invite engineers through provincial tech and priority occupation pathways. Applying through a PNP can add up to 600 points to your Express Entry profile, greatly increasing your chances of permanent residency. Securing a Canadian job offer can make a big difference. Some roles require an LMIA, which proves no Canadian is available. An LMIA is a formal process but makes your application stronger. Employers must show there is a genuine need for your specific skills. Some engineers are eligible for LMIA-exempt offers, especially in tech under the Global Talent Stream or intra-company transfer programs. To work as a licensed engineer, you need credential assessment and licensing through your province's engineering authority, like PO, APEGA, or EGBC. After credentials and experience are approved, you can earn your professional engineer or PAng status, opening full access to career opportunities. Licensing opens doors to top roles, higher salaries, and professional recognition. Many provinces offer bridging programs for internationally trained engineers. Your engineering journey in Canada means opportunity, security, and a brighter future for you and your family. Start your path in 2026.